Hello everyone, welcome today. Today on Sunday, yes, it's Sunday. Um, Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so we have an additional of the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, February the 4th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Sugu. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles in this additional. And I've already solved a samurai Sudoku. Samurai Sudoku. So it's time now for the additional. The 4 puzzles I will do are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, the tectonic, and the binary. 4 puzzles, alright. First one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 5911. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzles. But for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright? Okay. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 3, 4 2s. Alright. 1 3, 2 4s, 4 5s. Alright. 3 6, 4 6s. Okay. 2 7s, 1 8, and 3 9. So the 2s, the 5s, and the 6s are a majority. Okay, let's start with the 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. You see a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the second row, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. Let me see. 6 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about the 2 then? 2. 2 2, no. 2 2, no. 2 2 2. 2 2, no. The 5s. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 5. 5, 5. Interesting. Well. Yeah. Okay. Cannot continue. How about 7? Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So last column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1, 7, 3 and a 4. 4, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. And look, we have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. Here, 4 in this column, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7. Well, cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 4, okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4. Right. 1, 1. 3. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have 1 and 3 in this column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 7. 7. Alright. 7, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers. In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 7. Now we have a 7 in this row. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. Okay. Let me continue. 7. 6, 4. Right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So the 8 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those. Here we have also 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Let me mark those two boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and a 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Let me mark those. 7, 3, and the 5. Okay. Alright. 5, 5. 2, We have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright, 10 minutes already passed. So we have a 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5. Oh, wait. 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here, 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 here in the third row, so no 5 here, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. How about the 2 then? And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. How about the 6 then? 6, 6. No, cannot finish the 6. 8, 9, and a 1. 8, 9, and a 1. 3 missing numbers in the third. In the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, and 8 and 9. 1, 8, and the 9. 1, 8, and 8 and the 9. 1, 8, and the 9. 1, 8, and the 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in this column, so no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there, so 1 digit left in the second row for number 1. Alright. 1, 3, 8. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4, 8, and a 9. Wow. Okay. Alright. Let me see. 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 8, of course. 8, 8. 7, 7. 4. 7, 4, and well, we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9. Okay. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 1, and 3. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have 1 and 3 in the third row. So no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left for the 4. Okay. 1 and a 3, cannot fill this yet. How about these two missing numbers in this row? For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Two numbers left then in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. One box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Then 6 in this column, third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between. Oh, we already have a 7 here. Can I count? And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 7. Then. How about the 9? Yeah, 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Two missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3. We have a 3 now in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 4 stars puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.